In this video, we are going to see that if you come across this problem while trying to connect with the Wi-Fi network that says some information has changed since the last time you connected, we need additional information to complete the connection. Let's see how we can resolve that. So first of all, what we need to do is just open up the start menu and right here settings, head over to the settings. And on the left hand side, we have network and internet. Click on that. And you click on Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection, whatever you have. So let's say click on Wi-Fi, and here we see manage known networks. Click on that, and whatever is your internet connection, just right click on this, or you simply click on forget next to it. So what this will do is this will enable us to enter the details again. After that, just open it up, close it once, and turn it back on. And you can simply head over to the connection, click on connect, and you enter the fresh password. So let's enter that and let's try to connect it. And as you can see, now it is connected successfully. So that is how it is done. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.